Social rules we should know. 1. When you call someone 2 times in a row and they're not picking up, stop blowing their phone. Respect yourself. 2. Don't talk much after meeting new people. Don't get comfortable on the first meeting. It's uncool when you meet someone and they act like you've been buddies for a long time. 3. When someone walks into the room and you have your earphones on, stick one out in case they want to have a conversation. 4. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. 5. Give your roommate a heads up if you are bringing someone home with you. 6. Give the waiter the same respect you would give a CEO. 7. Make sure not to invade someone else's personal space. Keep a few feet away while talking. 8. Stop being late every time, it's annoying. 9. Call or give someone a heads up if you aren't going to make it. 10. When invited to a party or event by a friend, it's rude to bring a +1 without informing them. 11. Wash your hands and flush the toilet after finishing your business. 12. If you puke on someone's car or house, make sure you get it cleaned. Saying sorry won't clean it. 13. Mind your own business unless anything involves you directly, just stay out of it. 14. Don't give kids you are not related to sweets or other small gifts. People will start confusing your motives. 15. Go to the back of the queue and don't try to get sneaky to be served first. 16. When eating out with friends, talk after you've finished swallowing your food. 17. Be courteous. Say sorry when you sneeze. 18. When visiting someone's house, carry something to eat or make food even if it's sugar or milk for tea. 19. Stop telling everyone about your mom or so. It's okay. We know you love them, but can we talk about something else? 20. Don't be the loudest in a crowd. Weigh the pitch in everyone's tone and keep it around there. 21. When you open a gift, just say thank you. Don't say, it's too expensive. 22. Don't open gifts in front of guests at adult birthday parties. Open it privately and reply later. Opening the package in front of different companies can be embarrassing because of the difference in fees, people who don't bring gifts, and so on. 23. If you are attending a funeral, try to wear a dark dress unless the deceased's relatives or friends have special requests. 24. If you borrow tools, ladders, lawnmowers, etc. from a friend or neighbor, return the work as soon as it's done. Don't wait until the day per week. To make matters worse, don't put them in a position where they have to ask for a return.